Farmers today, we're trying to verify our ʻike kupuna, the knowledge from our ancestors. Because a lot of people look down on us as mahiʻai, as farmers. He's only a farmer. They fail to realize that to be a good mahiʻai, you have to know the universe of a mahiʻai, which means I have to be a water scientist, I have to be a soil scientist, I have to be a weatherman to be able to sense the wind, the rain. The whole environment is my universe. So when people look at a mahiʻai or a farmer or a hula dancer and say, she's just a kumuhula, or he's just a farmer, they don't realize the extent of knowledge